Okay guys, this is Jamie Lewis and the video title is how to make money on Fiverr without doing any work. What the f*** you talking about? You ain't gonna do any work. Yes, I know it sounds unbelievable, but I'm actually serious. Just give me a second here to explain. Jesus. There really isn't another way to say it either. This is not clickbait and you just have to trust me. All right, thank you. By the time I get into step 3 in my awesome 3-step plan here, you're gonna have all of the work cut down 90% or something like that, you'll see. So, you might have heard of Fiverr. It's where people go to hire someone to write something, design something, or build something, or you might have even placed an order there. You might need a logo, you might need a website or something like that. So you go to Fiverr to get it built, right? And you're looking to commence that autopilot internet income laptop lifestyle. That's right. So by the time you find this video, I'm gonna deliver the goods, all right? And you can use Fiverr as your personal ATM. All right, so let's jump into the meat and potatoes. This is the freaking easiest method you've ever seen, okay? If you can't make money with this, just come back here and give me a beating. All right, so step 1, go to Fiverr. Just for example's sake, do a search for dating profile, all right? Now you'll see all of these stores, okay? Otherwise known as gigs or sellers or shops, you get the drift. You'll see here, I will write your dating profile, $60. I'll design your profile on Tinder, $80. Now, here's another one for $150, right? Now, these stores are making serious money, and as you can see here, these guys and gals are busy, all right? Judging from all the reviews. So let me get this straight. You're saying that people are selling dating profiles and getting paid for it? That's it? Yes! And since it is extremely hard for a guy to get dates, and sometimes girls, it can be difficult as well, this is an in-demand service, right? So here's the thing. I'm showing newbies this example of how simple some of the gigs are, all right? You're not writing a novel for something, etc., but this is just one example, and there are a ton of very simple gigs like this, right? But remember I said that there wouldn't be any work? Well, that part is coming next. So before we get into step 2, let's quickly review, okay? We came to Fiverr, and then we took a look at your competition in the writing category. And although we did a search for specific writing gigs, see, there's tons of subcategories in these categories to research as well. And to be totally clear, the point of me showing you these examples is so you will have a store like this too and make thousands of dollars. Oh my God! Step 2 is obviously signing up as a seller with Fiverr, all right? You come up with a graphic, a logo, or a picture of your good-looking self. And then create your profile. And then create your first gig. Now, this is where step 3 comes in, all right? And you'll see that we're not only going to deliver exceptional work to customers and get good reviews, which is super important. A bad review is bad, but the fulfillment, for lack of a better word, automated. Very easy. Getting an $80 sale is not something that you will dread at all right? So again, with what I'm about to show you here is going to get you good reviews, make your life easy so you can live the dream life. All right, so step 3, use your many ads account for all fulfillment. That is if you want to work 90% less than your competition does. And we're going to jump right in right now because you're at the stage in the game where you're creating your first gig, right? So inside many ads, this is where you can make sure that you'll be able to fulfill the orders you get easily. So for instance, these are the categories you can fulfill. So when you create your first gig, you'll be able to automatically fulfill the following gigs: articles and blog posts, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, ad copy, sales copy, social media copy, email copy, book and ebook writing, job descriptions, website content, and then of course our example dating profiles, as well as other types of profiles that you can see others selling like crazy when you do a search in the search bar here, all right? And then bonus idea, you can also fulfill love letters. That's right, I'm serious. Look at these busy, active baller sellers with dozens of reviews. I'm serious. Imagine you kicking back with your spouse working from home on a laptop, doing this for a living, instead of having to drive in a car to work every day. Yes. By the way, transcriptions, research and summaries, proofreading and editing, no. You cannot fulfill those in a timely manner, so we are not talking about you doing that for a living. But these other ones I mentioned, boom. So anyhow, as I was saying, you log into your many ads account and heck, use the many ads writing generators to write your profile. We haven't even gotten a sale yet, but I want to keep my promise of you not having to do any work at all right? Heck, you really don't even need to think at all from the freaking start, all right? With a brand new Fiverr account. That's right. So you create your profile and then you have two options, all right? Number one, wait and get all your clients from the Fiverr marketplace automatically. Or number two, accelerate things with the generators and many ads and advertise your store to get your first clients. And to be honest with you, you'll get your first clients without any advertising if you have a nice photo, competitive prices, and a good description. Want to be seen more? Have a niche gig, something obscure that isn't in the categories like dating profile service. Remember? You didn't see dating profiles in the main categories, but people are selling dating profiles like they're going out of style. So look through the generators and many ads, figure out what you can sell, and then boom, you get your first client. Oh my God. He messaged you first. Can you please create me an amazing Tinder profile? And then paid $50. That's right. Tell your wife that you were retired. No more lottery tickets and casino abuse. Now you want information on your client. All right, what is your client's height, weight, looks, what he's into, if he's a cuckold, if he's a freak, or whatever they're into. Log into Many Ads, which you can get at manyads.com, access the dating profile, the pickup artist generator, or the Get Your Ex Back generator, and input all of the info. All of these amazing options in the drop downs are custom written, so you're using the personal toolbox of copywriting and extremely amazing lines. You export the finished result, boom, you're done. Now, the fact that you can fulfill this so fast allows you to create another gig and another gig and another, and you'll be able to handle hundreds of clients at the same time, obviously. So let's do some math. If you sell 10 $50 dating profiles a day, for example, that's $15,000 a month or $182,000 a year from one store. But see, the secret is really to have the generators, or just one client will drive you nuts while you're racking your brain thinking about how to make the client seem more attractive, which will be borderline impossible. So yeah, that's the idea. And all I can say is do this, all right? And I'm sure that you'll see the power. And hey, you might be asking, well, what about that Many Ads thing? Well, you go to manyads.com. Now remember, steps 1 through 3, get a Fiverr account, create your profile on your first gig, and then wait or get your first client and fulfill using the generators at Many Ads. Boom. So that's it. Congratulations on your exciting new future, and remember to like the video, subscribe to my awesome channel here, and let's kick some butt. All right? Woo! Rock and roll. So I'll see you soon.